Ayden from Aurora Middle School, and we're going to be doing hands-on equations. This is a white pawn, which is opposite of x. This is a blue pawn, which is positive x. This is a green cube, which equals a negative. This is a red, which is a positive. And we're going to be doing x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. So first we'll take this blue pawn from that side, and this blue pawn from this side, and we'll put it over there. And then we're going to add -2 to each side, and that makes pair 0. So then 10 minus -2 is 8. And then when we divide 8 equals 2x, well, 2x, so that'll be 4. So then 8x equals 4. So now we're going to be doing -10 plus x equals -3x plus 2. So first, we're going to add a white pawn to each side. We're going to make this a pair of 0. Then we're going to add -2 to each side. Then when we take 2 and 2, that makes a pair of 0. And then this is 12. So then -4x divided by 12 equals 3, so x equals 3. So now we're going to be doing 5 plus x plus opposite of 3x plus 3x plus opposite of 2x plus -1. So first we're going to take our pairs of 0. Now we're going to add a white pawn to each side. So you can take this pair of 0. Now we're going to add a -5 to each side. So then a +5 and a -5 equal a pair of 0. So then we have 3 white pawns, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. So then we have opposite of 3x equals -2. For our last problem, we're going to do 5 plus x plus opposite of 3x equals 3x plus opposite of 2x plus 1. So first, we're going to make pairs of 0. Next, we're going to add -1 to each side. It makes a pair of 0. So then when we take 5 minus 1, that equals 4. Next, we're going to add 2 more blue pawns to each side. So then we can make pairs of 0. Hold on.